Okie dokie. Seems kind of like a bug that StreamYard. I've been in the whatever this is, like the studio for 2 minutes, but I haven't been streaming for 2 minutes, so I don't know why it's saying that. But yeah, that's fine. All right. Am I live? Yeah, get rid of this tweet hunter. I'm not paying for it anymore. Looks like we're live on X, so that's good. Do I have audio? Uh, okay, cool. Good there. And Twitch. How are we looking on Twitch? Looking like we're live. Yeah, Twitch is also saying I'm 3 minutes live. Ah, man, I gotta sign in. There we go. And how's the live stream looking here? Like we're okay. Cool. My audio. I think I turned off desktop audio. Yeah, we're good. Okay, cool. Cool. And just in case you get some comments, turn that on. Why is my dashboard? Why am I signed out? Oh, maybe because okay. It doesn't like that I switch back and forth between my laptop and here. I guess I was in the lounge, so it changed my network location, so it's probably mad about that. Okay. Let me sign back in, I guess, all this stuff. Bruh, stop. Okay, hang on a second. Full cam? Oh, full cam doesn't work. Oh, nice. My stream cam is still set up. I need to set that bad boy back up. You can watch the river. Main game. There we go. We're doing some main gaming. That is one project I'm still meaning to set up. I did it the other day, actually. I took a picture of a boat that was on the river and then asked GPT what kind of boat it was and how much it would cost. And it did pretty good. I mean, as far as I know, it was able to identify it. It's like, oh, it might be this kind of boat. It's like some sort of stream runner or something or other. And it's like, depending on the year, it might be worth anywhere from I think it said if it was from the early 2000s, it was 500K. If it was newer, it could be up to 2 million. It's like boats are crazy, man. Boats are crazy. All right, what's going on here? Let's go back to my setup. Deal with my million tabs. Cam and screen. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and brand stats. Yeah, so I'm running behind this morning. Ended up doing some extra work instead. So late stream today, but I got to do my school stuff. I haven't done my normal morning school routine, so I got to do that. Probably do that after this. And what else? That's pretty much it. But I did do yesterday. So yesterday we schooled it up. We got 53 activities. So I will take that. Yesterday being the 27th, today being the 28th. Yes. And what was it? 53? 53 activities. I will take that. Calculating. Go. There we go. Nice. 22 average. We're getting up there. Ah, man, I'm gonna have to stick to this weekend. Gotta keep my average going. I've got stuff going on Saturday. Saturday morning might be tricky. I should have some time though, I think. I just have to get up a little early. And then Sunday I'll have time. So Sunday I can definitely get some stuff done. Ooh, so I'll be back in Eastern time over the weekend. School resets at 7 p.m. Central. So 8 p.m. Eastern. So I have a little bit of extra time. Okay, I can do that. But school activity done. Well, how's this guy looking? Whoa. We jumped. Uh, school members. Today is the 28th. Nope. Try that again. 28th. So 148. Wednesday seems to be like a busy day. I don't know why. There we go. Yeah, we jumped 6. Nice. I'll take it. I didn't even get the video out. I meant to get it out last night, but I didn't. I got sidetracked. I got started. I got something working. So got a preview of that. But yeah, weird. Cool. I'll take it. And then what's up? What else? YouTubes. What are we doing, YouTubes? 28. Where am I at? 870. Nice. We are creeping up there. 4 more. We'll see. I saw Robo Nuggets beat me. I didn't want to watch his video, but he created his Nano Banana workflow. It's like, man, I was surprised I hadn't seen any pop up yet, but I'm sure there were. I'm sure there were a few workflows for Nano Banana, but I'm gonna get one up. It's not gonna be as fancy as his. His is usually really good. Mine's usually a little more straightforward, but we'll see. I thought about doing like a whole like vibe coding deal. Whoa, what is this? Whoa, nice. Sorry, click the button. Yeah, I thought about doing like a whole vibe coded front end, and basically, I kind of just want to do. I just want to steal one of the apps from their page. Google, Gemini. Yeah, there we go. So I just had it up not too long ago. I should be able to find it. Sup, Molson? Making your coffee, or how's making your coffee going? Still enjoying it and fine tuning your process. I'm getting it down. It's like I've got it very smooth at this point where I can do it quickly. Got my process down, so that's good. And I was actually just thinking, it's like, yeah, this is pretty good. Like when it's fresh, it tastes pretty good. But I've not started tweaking the process yet too much yet. Got some work to do there. I'm about halfway through my it keeps saying Folgers. My Dunkin' pre-ground. So we'll see. As I get closer to the end here, maybe I'll spring for a manual, and maybe we'll go manual bean grind. Try it out, see if it's any different. But so far so good. Not Folgers, yeah. I meant to say Dunkin', not Folgers. Yours is hitting different today. Mostly a 9 out of 10, but sometimes like day you get that 10 out of 10, and it's nice. I was just gonna ask how yours is going. What'd you do? What are we doing here? What's a 10 out of 10? Also, I like this system. That would be a little bit of work. I might just stick with something a little bit easier, where I want to do something like this, where it's like I want to create a workflow using an end-to-end that's going to do that, where you can upload your image and then just tell it what you want to change, and it'll do it for you. So something like this even would be kind of fun, but yeah, mostly just that. I wanted, just a simple pix shop. Oh, there we go. They've already kind of done it. Just want to recreate that, but do it with a workflow and in it in. No idea. Sometimes everything just aligns perfectly. Impossible to tell. All right. You got the right variables today. It was just meant to be. Well, that's good, man. I'm glad. What are you drinking? You were doing like a vanilla latte or something, right? Is that been your go-to normally? Which sounds fantastic, actually. This is only my first cup of coffee this morning. I'm behind, so I might have to do a second and do a little protein shake latte situation. AeroPress with Dunkin' Holt Bean. All right, just going, just that. No whole milk, nothing. Oh, nice. They have a template app. And wait, really? I didn't see that. Wow. We can just vibe code the whole app. That's crazy, actually. That's really kind of crazy. Did order some fancy whole beans from an Australian company. Excited for those. And I did use honey today, so maybe that's it. Ah, there you go. Honey would be good. I'd say that would sweeten it up a little bit. Fancy Australian whole beans, though. That sounds good. What are we doing? Have you mentioned maybe you mentioned that before? Sounds sort of familiar. How about you, Naj? Holding strong with the Kroger K cups. That's I was I was doing that myself not too long ago. McDonald's K cups, rather. I still have them in the cabinet, so almost out of your 120 pack. Yeah, I understand. Danilo, good morning, man. How's it going? I haven't gotten to Skool yet, so I will get on there. I think I saw some activity from you, so uh, appreciate you hopping in there and making some comments. How is your AI avatar going? And Naj, are you uh, also ordering these from Amazon like I do? Just a nice box of K cups that just shows up at your door. Proud Mary is the company. They have a US branch, so make sure to click on that site if you order. Got it. Okay. Proud Mary, huh? Proud Mary Coffee. Austin? Melbourne? They have multiple locations. Avatar's pretty good. Latency is something as well. That was my main concern. I think generating the audio is going to be tough if you're trying to get real time AI avatar interaction like this. Like you can get it close, but to get the video and audio is really tough. Audio, I don't know. I mean, GPT I think has actually gotten really fast. I was going to say there's Grok with a Q. Those are supposed to be really fast. Grok. I don't know. Is it grok.com? Yeah. As far as voice goes, but again, you need video, and unfortunately, I think the video generation is going to be your bottleneck. I mean, unless you have like a really low res image or whatever. Like I don't know, but I'm assuming that's what like HeyGen. I mean, I'm sure HeyGen's pretty good, but on the fly, yeah, exactly. The video syncing is going to be tough, even if it is just the mouth. That's a good point. I don't know what other avatar systems are out there. I just know HeyGen's the one that's kind of dominated right now. She's muted right now. I can't tell, but I was gonna say I bet she's okay. She's doing English. That's kind of insane, actually. I mean, that's actually really insane. So yeah, that's the trick is just to not make it like straightforward and hide it somehow. Didn't find nothing better, at least equal to HeyGen. That's what I figured. This is their thing. Like they're really good at it, but yeah, you're gonna have a hard time, I think, with the live, getting the live to match up. I do feel like I don't know. It feels like there's some sort of like creative way to distract from that. Like I don't know, have something else happen while it's loading, so that way it doesn't feel like it. Because if you're sitting there waiting and you're seeing that the voice isn't matching up, it becomes obvious. But I don't know. You had something else going on. I don't know. Anyway, that's a cool project though, man. Hopefully we can find a solution here somewhere. I was trying to think if I could if I've seen anything else. Exactly, yeah. Put some video in the background or something. You need like I don't know, a bouncing ball or I don't know, like put a spinner over them so you can let them know they're loading. Something to distract. Join the waitlist. Will Smith Oh, geez, AI crowds and videos of his tour. Oh no, really? That guy, that guy cannot get a break. Expert analysis. All right, let's pull it up. Jamie, pull it up. That's crazy. I did not see that. Um, I saw something else Will Smith related, but I don't remember. But it's very possible. I mean, it's getting pretty good. VO3. I mean, this is still like kind of mind blowing. Uh, I don't know if they had it on here, but this video clip is horrible. Okay, all right, yeah, so it's pretty obvious. Ah, nice. Okay, it's always the fingers, man. The fingers always give it away. Where was the Those fingers are pretty good. There's just kind of the is that Johnny Depp? Kind of some like lifelessness here though that makes it's like it's so close, but it's just not quite there. The bear is not having it, man. Like this stuff is perfect. That's not bad though. I say the like street interview video is the one that always gets me. It looks real. Oh whoa. Whoa. Nano banana stuff, but with images or with video. Insane. Insane. Whoa. Oh yeah. So you can make all of your transforming videos. Do I have to ban this man? No, you're good. You're good. We'll let him slide for now. He's just pushing the boundaries, you know. Just toeing the line, seeing what he can get away with. That's super cool though. I saw something about VO3 or the Google subscription upping your quota. That you're allowed to do more. And that's nuts. Remove object. Got rid of the giant sphere. What's up? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, they've updated this since the VO3 launch. Positive reinforcement is noted. That's right. That's right. Yeah, not here for the drama. Build creatives. Yeah, the flow looked interesting. Check that out. Craziness. Anyway, volley. There's just more and more platforms. I don't know. We were just talking about this the other day, Molson. I think there's a real opportunity here to create some AI platform stuff, but just need a little funding, I guess. But I've never heard of Volley, never heard of Promise. But are these guys offering access? Promise Studios? Oh no, never mind. Gemini API. Promise. 2 clicks to get there. Okay, so maybe they're just their own studio. No, maybe not. A16Z. They're all over it. Volley. They may promise a lot. Yeah, exactly. Volleycraft's immersive voice AI dungeon adventuring with Gemini 2.5 and VO2. Whoa, there you go. Crazy. So I don't know. Sorry, Danilo. Trying to decide if I could think of any other AI avatar generators. There's a couple of like the video ones that are out there that might work. I just don't know how fast they are. Like video streaming is kind of rough. If you're not, which yeah, you could expose your own system, I guess, if you're gonna like run your own model. But whoa, that's crazy. Nice. What about Yup? Yup was pretty cool. Sign me in. Man, Cloudflare is taking over the internet. It's kind of scary. Should also offer a bot blocking service. That would be the hot thing right now. They don't have video models on here, do they? Yeah. Audio only might be better. That's much more feasible. Video is just not quite there yet, unfortunately, if you're looking for like live. Or am I an AI live stream? I've already mastered the tech. You just have to pay me $1 million for it. It's funny. I've seen some. I've seen some videos lately of like fully AI channels that are pretty crazy. Like they're not bad. They're the HeyGen avatars are not bad. They look pretty good. They're like a little bit unsettling, but you can just tell that like something's a little bit off. But they're pretty close. So I normally have all the tabs open. What's better or different than being just a VTuber? Yeah, I mean, basically that's a VTuber. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point. I mean, I guess it's is a is a square rectangle kind of thing. Just different. It's just more specific. But yeah, it's a good philosophical question right there. Vision, image edit, search. Where were we the other day that I was like testing? It was AI analysis, maybe had a bunch of models. Yeah, text to video, VO3 fast audio, and even that. Yeah, that's what I was trying to remember. Was like I know there's like Hailuo. I don't know how to actually pronounce that. Hailuo, and then Kling. So some of those may be options, but yeah, I think you're just gonna have a latency time that's gonna be a problem. Oh wow, Opus is technically overall number one. Too bad it's like $75 for the tokens. Incredibly expensive. If I had that kind of disposable income, I would absolutely do it. But unfortunately, I do not right now. Can't be shelling out that kind of money. GPT-5 High is up there. I wonder. Okay, yeah. So it's dropped a little bit in creative writing, longer queries, and multi-turn. But man, Gemini Pro is still hard prompts, coding, number 3 in coding. There's no 2. How does that work? Oh, number 2. Oh, okay. Opus is number 2. Ah, okay. Interesting. Next 6 months, we'll see many live channels running 24/7 streaming featuring AI generated avatars. I mean, yeah, exactly. It's going to be probably become pretty common. Lots of AI generated avatars out there chilling. And live streaming would be different because like you can get away with the lag, right? Because it doesn't have to be like an automatic response. It's just like, oh, it took me a second to react to the comment that I saw in the channel. So I forget. There's a couple AI ones already right now. I forget the one. There's one that can't think of its name, but it was like playing a game, and the guy had like trained an AI to play whatever the game was, and it got incredibly good at it. It was like in the top 10 or something like that. So it's like I can't think of it now. Ara or something, Aora, I can't remember. But anyway, yeah, no, I think it's totally. And I forget. I think Gary Vee was talking about that, where I don't know. It's hard to have, you know, whatever, pay celebrities to like endorse your brand or have like brand ambassadors or like pay actors. Like when you have, these like contract um people, and then they do something stupid and then like you've destroyed your brand because they did something dumb. If you have an AI brand, then you have like all these, back to the HeyGen thing with like AI generated UGC, they're never going to say anything you don't want them to say. So, you can have them out there on TikTok or whatever, perfectly advertising your product, and you don't have to fight with them. They're never going to like post anything dumb. So, yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing. Businesses are going to love it. I mean, they're already trying, I guess. So clearly, Danilo's got a contract to do something like that already. So it's coming for sure. But pretty crazy. All right. Yeah. Sorry, Danilo. Audio only sounds like the answer for now. You can dance your way around that answer instead. What was I going to see? I was going to see something was going on with Codex. Sama just tweeted about it. Man, I heard listening to a podcast last night, kind of blasting Apple, how it's like they haven't done anything since Steve Jobs left. They just kind of like copy other people. It's like, yeah, kind of. Oh, there we go. Some cool aesthetics. Nice. I was trying to decide if these are AI generated. I've seen some of his posts. I can't decide if he would be an AI guy or not. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I wanted to see what's going on with Codex. Codex just got an update. We were just talking about raw dogging some VS Code, or not VS Code, Cloud Code. I want to raw dog some Codex. Codex just did. So Codex is releasing features to more effective coder collaborator. New IDE extension. So does that mean cursor? Easily move tasks between cloud and local environment, which is kind of crazy. Code reviews in GitHub and revamped Codex CLI, powered by GPT-5, available through your Chat GPT plan. Now runs in your IDE. Okay, there's Cursor. So like, I thought they like partnered with Cursor now that Windsurf has collapsed. Available for VS Code, Cursor, and other forks. The new extension makes it easier to share context, files, snippets, and diffs. That's kind of crazy, actually. It's been a top feature request, and we're excited to hear what you think. Hand off to the cloud from your IDE, kick off new tasks, delegate in progress work, review results without leaving your editor. That's really nice, actually. You can just background it, let it go, then do code reviews, beyond static analysis, checks the PR against its intent, reasons, and across the code base and dependencies, and can run code to validate the behavior changes. Yeah, super cool. I mean, I know there's tools that like do this stuff, but I mean, yeah, I don't know. This is kind of like that debate that they keep having of as far as like rather you could build a GPT wrapper, which is probably actually what you want to do, but you don't want to build something that they can just build a feature into. Like if they can stuff like CodeRabbit. I mean, like this stuff's kind of scary for CodeRabbit, but at the same time, it's hard for a giant model to handle all of that, I think. I mean, until it has, reliably 1 million token context and it can always pull in most of your GitHub repository or whatever, it's going to be tough to have a God model do everything. It's going to miss all like the, specific prompting and tooling from something like CodeRabbit that's like specifically designed to do that. Danilo thought the same. They invited the Cursor CEO when GPT-5 was launched a few weeks ago. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's like they were going to buy Windsurf, and then a bunch of the Windsurf guys left, and then so it's like, well, I guess that's not happening. And then all of a sudden, Cursor guys are on the stream for GPT-5. So like, oh, I guess they're friendly with Cursor now. So yeah, kind of crazy. So built Codex CLI to harness GPT-5's agentic coding capabilities, so it's more reliable and capable. We've redesigned the terminal UI, Also added image inputs, message queuing, simplified approval modes, to-do lists, web search, and more. That's kind of cool. These updates, Codex works as one agent across your IDE, terminal, cloud, GitHub, and even your phone. Oh, whoa. Yeah, wow. Okay. You got me. You got me. Pro Plus Team EDU Enterprise plans. Check out the new Codex Developer Hub to get started. Sure. Oh, by the way, oh man, Molson, I had a question for you and I forget. Oh, is it Ink.js? Ink.js? Is that the one that does the CLI stuff? Oh, placeholder. I was like, wait, what am I looking at? Placeholder, nice. Email input, password. Ah, yeah, look at that. Yeah, so I don't know. I just know as our resident CLI expert here, VOM or VO NeoVim user. Yeah, this is cool. That's the loading spinner. I don't know. I just seen something about Ink.js the other day. I was like, oh, that totally makes sense. I don't know why I didn't think about that. That there's actually a JavaScript library for creating super cool CLI interactions. But I don't know if you had any familiarity with that at all. Didn't know how deep you'd gotten into your own custom CLI interfaces. Progress bar, spinner, badge. Oh wow, nice. Oh no, this stuff's pretty cool though. One of these days, mostly just being inspired by Codex and Claude Code and stuff. Go back to CLI. Almost bought the ergonomic split keyboard. Totally commit. Follow down the path of the Primogen. He would not approve of my developer habits. That's pretty cool though. That's actually really cool. Unordered list, yeah, gotta have those. Oh man, even with the indenting, theming, change the font, right? Because I always wondered how they do the cool stuff. Like when you load up Codex. Actually, I don't know if Codex does it, but Gemini CLI does. Yeah, like that stuff. That's always cool. The ASCII art. Always appreciate the old school ASCII art. It always looks good. So like they are definitely Ink.jsing it up to get all this formatting happening in a command in a terminal. Pretty nuts. So I don't know. I guess that was probably what made me excited is like I always wondered like how this stuff worked, and then I was like, oh yeah, Ink.js must be how it works. So pretty cool. Repository. 1.8K stars. That seems really low. Is there another? Maybe this is not the right one. Or maybe it's just not that popular yet. Anyway, since CLI tooling seems to be the hot trend right now. Yeah. Kind of wanted to see what's going on with Codex. But first, I might AeroPress another cup of coffee. I'll be right back. All right, what'd I miss? How was that chair stream? Hopefully it was good. Is there like a full-time chair stream? Chair avatar? Chair VTuber? A lot of potential there. Big ideas. Codex. IDE. It's good to see Windsurf still kicking around. Download precursor. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, whatever. After installing, you find the extension in your sidebar. Might be hidden in the collapse section. Most people like dragging Codex to the right side of the editor. Okay. Recommend signing a new GPT account. Use Codex as part of your Plus plan. Learn more about what's included in your GPT plan. Also use Codex with an API key, but this requires additional setup. Yeah, I mean, I guess like it'll just use your account by default and probably just use your banked amount. Spider-Man mug, yes. There we go. Yeah, it was pretty cool. There was a there was an exhibit here at one of the museums, whereas actually it was kind of more about the Spider-Man comic books. So it was kind of cool. They had some like the original prints from some of the comic books and stuff like that. So it was cool. My brother and I went a couple months ago. A big Spider-Man fan. Pretty big Marvel fan in general, but I think it started with Spider-Man. Thanks to Spider-Man. For sure. Good catch, Danilo. Spider-Man fan as well. All right, approval modes. So we've chosen a powerful debut or default for Codex for how it works on computer agent or computer called agent. In this approval mode, Codex can read files, make edits, run commands in the working directory automatically. However, Codex will need your approval to work outside the working directory or access network. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Even if you just want to chat, you can switch to chat. Yeah, that's where I kind of run into things like that was what was kind of driving me nuts with I was trying out Sonic, which supposedly is XAI's coding model, and I would just like ask it a question, and it's like, okay, cool, and just like jump right into trying to change stuff. It's like, no, we don't need to. Oh, it's changed. It's Grok Code Fast 1. Nice. They revealed it. Nice. That's cool. Grok Code Fast 1. Haven't seen people chatting about that. Sonic fully revealed. Grok Code Fast 1. Was that yesterday? Oh, I missed it. It was yesterday. 20 cents to $1.50? That seems pretty good. It's like really cheap. What's good taste there, Danilo? Can't go wrong with Spider-Man. Is creep cheap? Cheap, yeah. Yeah. Well, that's what I was trying to think. What's the comparable models? Gemini Flash, I guess. Gemini Flash 2.5. Is there a place to like look at all the costs at once? Open router. Models. Number 9 in programming. Like, how do I see? Can I see like a breakdown of all the costs, all the AI costs in one place? Am I not thinking of something? Compare AI API cost pricing. Yeah. I just want to see like a breakdown of all of them together, not crazy charts. Highlights, intelligence, artificial analysis, intelligence, Intelligence versus price. I just want to see like a table of all of it. Basically a LM Arena, but for price. Anyway, so this is probably on par with GPT-5 Mini in Google Flash. Yeah, maybe I might have to vibe code that and figure out how to SEO that, because it would be really helpful. I was just trying to think about how to do that. I'd probably have to probably have to like scrape all the websites to get the actual input, but probably wouldn't be bad. Most of these are just like static websites. I could, yeah, these are like publicly accessible, so that might not be too hard to do. Then I can get acquired by LM Arena. That'd be cool. I visit their website enough. I feel like I'm probably pretty high up there in their recurring user. Scrape Open Router. Oh yeah, that's true too. Yeah, I probably could just like pull it from Open Router. Yeah, that's nice actually. So that's the other thing too, right? Because they're giving you the cost based on their hosting, right? Or is that the cost of the model? Because like they take a cut a little bit on that. Like they're hosting it for you. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So 30 cents and 250. This is 20 cents and 150. That's a little cheaper. And it's supposed to be comparable. Okay. Well, I think they'll run open source models for you. So they do hosting with that. They just throw it into, I don't know. They probably do, DigitalOcean or something for you so that you don't have to do it. But like, yeah, Grok and stuff like that stuff's hosted on their own infrastructure. Yeah. 256 token context, so that's good. What does yeah, like Gwencoder 3, that has to be hosted somewhere because that's open source, right? So I mean, unless they have their own, I don't know, maybe they'd have their own provided API endpoints. Yeah, OpenAI compatible completion API up to 400 models. Small context. Yeah, 256 seems kind of low. Gwen's only 262. So I was trying to see. So Grok 4 GPT-5. What's 2.5 Flash? They're pretty big. Yeah, okay. Flash is 1 million. Yeah, that's crazy actually. Max output 65. Total context. Gwencoder's 266. Where'd it go? Oh. Leaderboard. There we go. Flash DeepSeek. Grok 4. Categories. Is that what it was? Programming categories. Okay, there we go. Why is it not on here? What happened? Oh, is it moving? Oh, it's down to 12 now. It's dropped. Yeah, 256. It says it's number 9. 1 million though, that's nuts. I think that's the winner. I don't think that does Sonnet? Sonnet doesn't even have that big of a context. Yeah, 200. Or not Sonnet. I was thinking of Opus. Where's Cloud Opus? Cloud Opus 4.1. Yeah, wow. Yeah, that's right on par with like, is GPT 4.5 still around? You can still get to it, right? So I think it's still on par with the pricing for GPT 4.5. That was also like $15 per token. GLM I've been hearing a little bit about too. I think it's Horizon. Is it Horizon? 131. It's cheap. I think this is really good for front end from what I understand. Z.ai as opposed to X.ai. Zread.ai. Lots of AIs, lots of stuff. Google said they'll improve it to 2 million. That would be nuts. It's funny. I think I was cruising around. Hey, nice T3 chats on there. I was cruising around X last night, and they were saying how like Google's slowly coming back on top, like with the Gemini, just Gemini in general. Like Gemini for coding is really solid. The image model is really good. Like they're doing some crazy stuff. $2 million token context would be fantastic. I mean, it's getting to the point too where like there probably would be diminishing returns where it probably would be able to take more context tokens than you would actually really ever even need to use. I don't know. I guess like that's always the case. It's like, oh, like we'll never need more than a gigabyte, hard drive on a computer. That's crazy. And here we are, I don't know if Craig's around, but Craig was telling me how he had like a 78 terabyte NAS or something insane. So if it's there, people will take advantage. But yeah, craziness. 2 million tokens would be great. That'd be great. I mean, to be fair, I could totally do that because I love just slamming my entire code repository into the model. Like, all right, find the problem. Like, or here's the context of the entire repo. Here's the thing I want to change. After more than a year of paying for ChatGPT, you canceled your GPT subscription and are now using Z and GLM. Really nice. Wow. I've never even heard of Z until now, so that's a new one for me. That's crazy. They've been good. Do you do a lot of vibe coding with it? There you go. GLM 4.5. And Gemini, yeah. I mean, at least, yeah, you can use Gemini from the browser for free, which is really nice. That's usually where I'm at. I'm just copy pasting a lot, and you can also use the tokens and stuff, so it's pretty cheap to use. Yeah, where was ZAI? I feel like Zread.ai. That's a new one for me. Trending repos. Is it? Oh yeah, Trey. I've heard of that too. Yeah. So then, what do you use? ZAI. What's this? I don't understand. This is for like GitHub, just for integrating with repositories? I've heard of Trey. 10x engineer who can independently build software solutions for you. Understand, execute, deliver. Grok 4 now on Trey. There we go. There's another. Where's Molson? He can add this to his list. Oh, okay. Okay. So Z reads just like ChatGPT. Okay. Transform ideas into bits. Have you used what's up? I got another IDE for you. So if you're not feeling Windsurf and you're not feeling Cursor, you could use Trey. So we've got another option here. I think it's supposed to be really cheap, right? It's like cheaper than for $3 a month. What? 600 fast requests and unlimited slow requests. Oh, okay, 600 fast requests. That's a lot. That's a lot. What's Cursor? $10 USD. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, $10 per month. $10 from second month. I got it. Okay, so $3. They hook you in for $3 and then they go up to 10. But still, $10 a month for 600. It's half the price of Cursor, so that's not bad. Where's Speaking of, what's my? I have not been vibe coding as much lately, but for a stretch there, when I was like firing through a lot of app. No, I don't want notifications. Thank you. I was doing a lot of app updates. I was burning through all of my cursor usage. Yeah, I'm at 36 bucks. How many operations is that though? Does it say? Raw events. 600 seems a little low actually. I don't know. On if I get on a roll, I can get through 600 probably pretty quickly. But that's not bad. And I mean, I was debating just again like hopping between them. It's like, okay, run out of one, on to the next one. Like, all right, we'll go through Windsurf for a while now, and then burn up all my usage on Windsurf, and then go on to Tray now. Yeah, it's crazy though. No credit card required. Assume the user starts a chat, AI starts its response. If a request results in an error or the model returns an empty response due to platform issues, model ID or more, this chat will not consume an AI request. However, an AI has completed its response, but the user fails to receive it due to the network on the other side. This will, yeah, that's fair. Yeah, that's kind of what it seems like. Okay, man, that's awesome. Well, there we go. Might have to add them to the list for $10 a month. Oh man, but these monthly subscriptions are adding up. $20 a month for Cursor, $10 for Tray. Throw in the big dogs. I'm still paying for GPT Pro, so that's 200. AI fees are piling up. If I sign up for Google Ultra, which is $250 a month, which I probably should. I'm like already on a Google One plan, so I'm pretty close to. Never mind. That's like $80 a year. But you get half off for 3 months, $125, and then you get bumped to $250 a month. Oh man, craziness. I mean, the only reason is like Google. I was just talking about like Google is kind of killing it right now. Like you could probably get away with just using Google all the time, and then yeah, the other stuff, GLM, Z, and then not have to use GPT. Ideally, I'd just like to use like all of them, but yeah, a little bit pricey. But the VO3, VO3 cubed. Oh, nice. Is this Tray? Oh wow, yeah, nice. Okay, they've got GPT 2.5 Pro, Kimi K2. That's supposed to be pretty good. GPT 5, 4.1, 4.0, 03, DeepSeek, DeepSeek R, Grok, Gemini Flash 2.5. Nice. Exactly. They really missed an opportunity there to call it just VO 27. It's coming. It'll happen soon. It'll happen soon. What's that? What's this footnote? Is available in more than 140 countries and territories. Okay, well there we go. Oh, nice. And then it still has. So Tray also has Claude 3.5, 3.7, Claude 4. Nice. So it's got everything on there. Okay. Well, there we go. Tray is another viable option. Downloading it. Let's do it. I'll get back to that. Craziness. So many AIs. Whoa. What's happening? It's like lagging out. All right. I think it's from. Is it from the website or is it from downloading? How am I looking? Am I super laggy? I think I'm good. Okay. Nice. I'll have to check that out. Good recommendation. The old black hole. It's never going away. I think I might have too many tabs open in Chrome. It's eating up my RAM. But yeah, that's never going away. The black hole is always there. All right, we're closing out everything. We're done here. We had our fun. No Proud Mary coffee. It has been an hour, so there we go. Yeah, I want to raw dog on Codex, see how that works. But they might have just saved the trouble with that new update. Don't have to raw dog with it anymore. But still, kind of like a cost saver, I guess. Anyway, yeah, it has been it's been an hour. It's been a solid chat. I am running a little bit behind today, so I think it might be time to call it. I gotta wrap up some other stuff. But thanks for hanging out, guys. That was a good solid hour of AI chatting. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. My Friday is a little bit more free tomorrow, so I may hop on tomorrow. So we'll see. Depends on if I can get other stuff done early. So yeah, Danilo, thanks, man. Thanks for hanging out. Good luck with your avatar. Hopefully that goes well. Hopefully able to negotiate a more reasonable solution that isn't a real time AI avatar. 24-hour stream Friday. Yeah, I mean we'll get one eventually. And that was going to be the last part of this. I was actually, I don't know. Now that I've been streaming more, I kind of want to do game streaming as well. So that, I don't know, we'll see. My other account may come back, so we'll see, Molson. But yeah, thanks, Danilo, for sure, man. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, good luck. Glad you got something working, but hopefully you can find the right solution. But yeah, I may be on tomorrow. I mean, there you go. Just create your own, and then you can sell that. So yeah, see what we can figure out. Maybe we can get something going. AI chat powered gaming. Chat. I mean, now we're talking. AI chat powered gaming. Let chat farm you gold. That'd be kind of crazy, actually. Yeah, I like that. We'll have to figure that out. It's a nice hackathon project, I think. But do I have to ban this man? Yeah, exactly. Get him out of here. He's out of control. All right. Well, thanks, guys. If nothing else, that would be cheating. True. I was gonna say it might be. Okay, hang on. Yeah, we got to count to 1,000 real quick, or backwards from 1,000. Yeah, I might not. I'll probably try to make it on tomorrow. We'll see. And then Monday maybe up in the air with the holiday, so it might not be till Tuesday that I'd be back on. So we'll see what's going on there. But I'll be back next week at some point. So thanks, guys. I will see you later. Bye. 1,000, 99, 98, 97.